Here we got the Stebel disc horn. This is a very simple horn. It doesn't matter if it's positive and positive. When wiring the horn, always ensure that your terminals are nice and firm and getting the correct voltage. They come in a low and a medium and sound like this. The Stebel discs also come with your mounting bracket, so you can mount it to everywhere necessary. Also, another common thing with the Stebels is the adjusting screw. If your horn ever starts sounding weak or dull, one, check your terminals, make sure they are connected right, and then you can adjust the adjusting screw to make it sound correct. So when adjusting the screw, this is what it would sound like if your screw is all the way out. All you need to do is adjust the screw in and retest. If you wind it in too far, you'll get a high pitched squeal.